M50, RX0, a6300 and iPhone.
And only one gimbal, Xeon Crane M2. Hi, I am Volkan Yetilmezer. In this video, I will connect these 4 devices wirelessly to Xeon Crane M2. First, please check the compatibility of the camera you are using from the Xeon official site. Note that the list will be constantly updated. Let's use M50 first. M50 cannot be fully balanced on Crane M2, so you can't use vortex mode. I will explain the solution in the following videos. Turn on M2 and M50 after make as much balance as possible. Then turn on your phone and start ZY Play. Select Crane M2 from the menu at the top of left. Press Connect now. ZY Play will start searching for M2 via Bluetooth. When you find M2, press Connect. From ZY Play you have to choose between camera and phone. Select camera and enter. Make connect via Bluetooth. You can also see the Bluetooth connection on the screen. Now let's make a Wi-Fi connection. Enter the menu on M50. From the settings menu, enter the Wi-Fi connection menu. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled. Enter the Wi-Fi function menu and select connect to smartphone. We will add a new device for the connection. You can see the network name and password on M50 screen to connect. Now let's get back to ZY Play. Press the signal icon at the top right. The surrounding networks will display it. Select M50, enter the password on the screen and press connect. Confirm the connection via M50. And here is the connection. From the icon on the screen you can see that the connection is established. Press the shutter button to switch the shooting screen. You can now start and stop recording on your phone or gimbal without the cable connection. Press the red button once and the video recording will start. Press the red button twice, will take the picture. You only need to do all this once. You don't need a phone for subsequent connections. Just select ZY from the M50 Wi-Fi function menu. Wi-Fi function will be established automatically. You can now record video directly from the gimbal without cable. If you switch the M50 to photo mode, you can take wireless pictures. Next is Sony a6300. First, connect ZY Play to M2. Enter the camera menu and open the application list. Select Smart Remote from this section. This time we make the connection using QR code. Press signal icon and select the QR code scan from the pop-up window. Hold the camera on the screen. The connection will be made automatically. You can now take pictures and videos wirelessly over both the phone and the gimbal. You can also use the zoom wirelessly via the phone or gimbal. You only need to do all this once. You don't need a phone for subsequent connections. Enter the application list from the camera and select Smart Remote. The connection will be made automatically. You can start video recording with red button and zoom with the switch on the side. Next is Sony RX0. Since RX0 screen is too small, I will project the screen image to the computer. First, connect ZY Play to M2. Enter the camera menu and select CTRL-W/smartphone. Then press connection info. Let's make the connection again using QR code. Press ZY Play signal icon and select the QR code scan from the pop-up window. Hold the camera on the screen. This connection will be made automatically. You can now shoot pictures and videos wirelessly. If your RX0 has an older version, you cannot use the zoom feature. After firmware updating RX0, you can also zoom in wirelessly. You only need to do all this once. You don't need a phone for subsequent connections. Enter the camera menu and select CTRL-W/smartphone. Then press connection info. The connection will be established automatically. You can start video recording with red button and zoom with the switch on the side. It will also shoot a picture when you press the record key twice in photo mode. Finally, let's make iPhone connection. Connect the ZY Play, but this time select the smartphone. And here is your Bluetooth connection. Press the record button once and the video recording starts or stops. If you press twice, the shooting mode changes. When you switch to photo mode, just press the red button once to take a photo. You can also zoom in using the switch on the side. In this video we talk wireless connection. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.